Hello friends and everybody else. I have a new one for you today. I've been waiting a long time for that. This is a very limited edition. I think there's only 350 pieces of that one. That's Air Raid, a band from Sweden, with their album Point of Impact. Kind of 80s looking cover for 80s sounding music. Let's have a look at the back before I start unwrapping it. See, nice band picture. There's some industrialization going on around. It doesn't matter, we're talking about metal here. It's the hard part. I'm gonna use this specific instrument. Disgusting. Alright. Let's open this masterpiece. The album is amazing. And I can't wait to listen to that from the vinyl. We're getting there. Now it's supposed to be a blue colored vinyl. Let's see. One look again. Let's open it. Ooh. Yeah, you've seen the cover. I'll leave it on the side. And let's look at the lyric sleeve first. Credits, some info, and on the other side the lyrics. Very good. I'm gonna show this as well. It's a catalog from High Roller Records. Good job, guys. Nice albums. I'll have a look later. And now it's time to actually see the media. Look at this amazing blue color. Hope it doesn't start to rain now. Look at that. So beautiful. And the songs are amazing. I definitely recommend that you listen to some Air Raid. They have a new album coming out in September of 2017, I have to say that, I guess. And that's it for now. I'm gonna come back soon with another one, I hope, if I receive one. So until next time, remember, stay heavy.